Close your eyes for a moment and imagine stepping into a world where sunlight struggles to pierce through the thick canopy above. The air is heavy with the scent of wet earth. Every breath is filled with humidity, and the sounds around you form a symphony of buzzing insects, distant birds' calls, and the rustle of unseen creatures. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, a place so vast, so mysterious, and so vital that it has rightfully earned the title, the lunch of the earth. The Amazon jungle is not just a forest, it's a living, breathing entity with influence and climate. Shelters countless unique species and has been a cradle of human civilization for thousands of years. But despite its fame, the Amazon still holds secrets that many of us are unaware of. Today, let's dive into some of the most fascinating facts about this incredible natural wonder. Facts that will make you appreciate not only its beauty but also its importance of life on Earth. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the planet, covering more than 5.5 million square kilometers. That means 2.1 million square miles. That roughly the size of the entire continental United States. The stretch across 9 South American countries including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guyana. About 60% of the forest lies within Brazil's border. This massive green expanse is home of the Amazon River Basin, which itself is a giant system of rivers, streams, and wetlands that define the geography and ecology of the region. When you hear the word Amazon, think not only the trees but one of the most complex ecosystems to ever exist on Earth. Running through the heart of the rainforest is the Amazon River, so one of the most powerful rivers in the world. At around 4,345 miles, that means 7,000 kilometers long. It rivals the Nile for the title of the longest river, but when it comes to water volume, the Amazon takes the crown without competition. It discharges an average of 55 million gallons of water into the Atlantic Ocean every second. This river is home to over 2,200 fish species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. From the giant arapaima, one of the largest freshwater fish, to the infamous piranhas, the Amazon River teems with aquatic life. It's even home to the mysterious pink river dolphin, a rare and intelligent creature that has long been surrounded by myth and folklore. The Amazon rainforest is the most biodiverse place on Earth. Scientists estimate that it houses 390 billion individual trees from 6,000 different species. But the plant life is just the beginning. Consider these staggering facts. The rainforest is home to more than 430 species of mammals, 1,300 species of birds, 370 species of reptiles, and more than 400 species of amphibians. Experts believe there may be as many as 2.5 million insect species, though many remain undiscovered. Over 40,000 plant species are found in the Amazon, with many still being studied for medicinal purposes. Incredibly, new species are being discovered almost every year. Scientists estimate that 1 in 10 known species in the world lives in the Amazon. That makes it not only the planet's richest biodiversity hotspot but also one of the most essential laboratories of nature. Why is the Amazon called lungs of the earth? The rainforest produces around 20% of the world's oxygen through photosynthesis. The billions of trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping regulate the Earth's atmosphere. In addition to producing oxygen, the forest stores massive amounts of carbon, making it critical in the fight against climate change. But there's more. The Amazon plays a key role in the water cycle. Through a process called transpiration, the trees release water vapor into the atmosphere, creating clouds and even influencing rainfall patterns across South America and beyond. Some scientists argue that the Amazon is so vital that its health affects global weather system. When we think of the Amazons, we often imagine it as untouched wilderness. But the truth is more fascinating. Long before European explorer arrived, the Amazon was home of thriving civilization. Archaeological evidence shows that ancient people built cities, roads, and agricultural systems deep within the rainforest. Recent discoveries through LiDAR technology, a laser-based scanning system, have revealed remnants of vast settlements hidden beneath the dense jungle canopy. These findings suggest that the Amazon may have once supported millions of people, challenging the old belief that the rainforest was a sparsely inhabited wilderness. Today, more than 400 indigenous tribes continue to live in the Amazon. Many of these groups maintain traditional lifestyle, relying in the forest for food, medicine, and spiritual connection. Some tribes remain uncontacted, living in isolation from the modern world. The Amazon is full of creatures that sound like they belong in a fantasy novel. Let's highlight a few. Jaguar, the top predator of the Amazon. Jaguars are powerful hunters that play a crucial role in maintaining balance in the ecosystem. Anaconda. The green anaconda, one of the world's heaviest snakes, lurks in the rivers and swamps. Some can grow over 29 feet long. Poison heart frog. Teeny but deadly. These frogs are famous for their brightly colored skin and toxic secretions. Harp eagle, one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, capable of preying on monkeys and sloths. Sloths, known for their slow movement, sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees, blending perfectly with their surroundings. Each of these species is a reminder of how specialized and unique life in the Amazon truly is. For centuries, the Amazon has been a natural pharmacy for indigenous communities. Many plants are used for healing, and modern science is still uncovering their potential. For example, cinchona tree bark led to the discovery of quinine, one of the fast effective treatments for malaria. Cat's claw, Ankeria tomentosa, is used in traditional medicine for inflammation and immune system support. Countless other plants show potential for treating diseases ranging from cancer to heart conditions. Scientists estimate that less than 1% of Amazon plants have been studied for medicinal purpose. Who knows what life-saving discoveries may still be hidden in the forest? Unfortunately, this paradise faces serious threats. Deforestation is the biggest challenge, largely driven by logging, cattle ranching, mining, and agriculture. Vast areas are being cleared at alarming rates. Every second, a portion of the Amazons the size of a football field disappears. This destruction not only endangers wildlife but also releases enormous amounts of carbon dioxide, worsening climate change. Experts warn that if deforestation continues, the Amazon could reach a tipping point, transforming from lush rainforest into dry savanna. Such a shift would have devastating consequences for biodiversity, indigenous peoples, and the global climate. Both naturals and humans may also threaten the forest. In recent years, record-breaking wildfires have shocked the world, showing how fragile this ecosystem can be when pushed to the age. The Amazon doesn't just belong to South America, it belongs to all of us. The rainfall it produces influences global weather system and the carbon it stores affects climate stability. Losing the Amazon would mean losing a major ally in the fight against global warming. That's why protecting the Amazon is a global responsibility. Conservation efforts, sustainable development projects, and international cooperation are vital to ensure the forest continues to thrive. It is not a matter where we live, but we can help the Amazon by taking some steps. Choose items certified as rainforest friendly, like shade ground coffee or responsibly sourced wood. Cattle ranching is a leading cause of Amazon deforestation. Organizations on the world need resources to protect the forest and its people. Sharing knowledge and spreading the word helps keep the Amazon in global conservation. Small steps, when multiplied, can make a big difference. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a collection of trees. It's a living system that connects us all, a guardian of biodiversity, a regular of the Earth's climate, and a cultural treasure for indigenous people. To understand the Amazon is to understand that our survival is deeply intertwined with its health. So, the next time you hear the distant roar of thunder, feel the breeze of your face, or take a deep breath of fresh air, remember the Amazon had something to do with it. Protecting it means protecting our future. Thank you for joining this journey into the heart of jungle. If you found these facts fascinating, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the world.